is crazy. And it's flowing now.
Guys, right now we are on Kings River, right where it turns into Atascocita Shores. This is it right now. So right now, that's going towards Kings Lake Estates, and then going this way, that's going towards Atascocita Shores. And right now, we cannot get through this whole thing. If you can see way up there is the sign. And there's a current. You can see a steady current going. So right here, you can kind of get an idea. We're at Blue Water and Kings River, and it is crazy. And you can kind of see where the... Yeah, this is crazy. Guys, this is unprecedented stuff. It is so eerie. So many families have been affected right now. It's so heartbreaking right now. I mean, in moments like this, you really just appreciate the life that you have and the family that you have.
Yep.
And that's it. That's what's the most important thing right now, because when it comes down to it, yeah, you know, there's going to be aid, and I know many of us are going to get help from family and friends and some insurance, and we'll rebuild homes. And I know some of us are thankful we get to rebuild our homes because we get to change that paint color we haven't done in 5 years and take down wallpaper.
Yeah.
But really, it's just about friends and family.
That's it. That's it, bro.
It's about this. It's about this right here.
It's my friend Matt.
We're here hanging out, just spending time together, because, you know, sadly Israel was affected by the flood, and
yep,
it's just something that this will never happen in Houston again. I know it won't. This kind of stuff is just once in a lifetime, once in a generation. But that right there is what matters most. Family. Those two beautiful girls right there.
And the one that's Mimi's.
And there's one Mimi's in the van.
Yeah. Two Mimi's in the van.
Yeah.
Oh, and young Cammy's Mimi's in the van. Hey, this is craziness. So I don't know if you already said it, but the water line to the lake is usually like several hundred yards that way.
Yeah.
This is
Guys, that's a sidewalk that we would run on. There's a sidewalk back in there.
somewhere in there really deep.
You see the sidewalk right here? It goes down, and we're supposed to be able to have a sidewalk right there to the left. Guys.
Now you would be completely submerged underwater if you tried to be on that sidewalk. It's crazy.
All right, Gisela, you have anything to say? Say bye-bye.
Oh.
Right now we're here at the Atascocita boat ramp. Harvey just wreaked havoc.
Yeah, it's the Atasocicta Association. We're in our neighborhood where we live. Well, it's about a mile and 1.12 miles from our house. Here's the lake. And we'll show you in a second where one of the boat ramps is completely underwater. Somebody's boat.
Oh, there we go.
Take a look at this boat ramp, this boat dock that somebody has. It's almost submerged underwater. And so yesterday it probably was mainly underwater. It's hard to fathom, but these were when people's kind of backyards, and yeah, now it's part of the lake. Oh, so this is a cul-de-sac.
Yeah, and then it goes right.
So that's called a cul-de-sac. I'll check for this. Okay, oh yeah, so it goes all the way that way. Yeah, so like, I don't know if you can you get that shot? Like, there's a mailbox right there, and it is like, it looks like at one point it's probably completely submerged. Oh, for sure. Because if you see the water line on the house. Water line on this house too, so it's gone down quite a bit already. The water line here.
So we're here in Northeast Houston. This specific neighborhood is Pinehurst of Atascocita.
Off of Lake Houston.
Off of Lake Houston, Atascocita Shores area. And it is so bad. So bad.
So yesterday we took a look at a couple of places. This is where all of that meets up on the shore.
Say that again.
So this is where we took up a couple, you know, footage shots yesterday.
Alright, so I can hear you.
We took a couple footage shots yesterday, and this is the road at Atascocita Shores that meets up with that other street where we saw, where I mentioned that there was a park. So we're talking, you know, probably a good mile or so of this road that's been affected.
Yeah.
Craziness. Remodeling on that house.
It's a car that has a Tesla, and you can see the line.
The house that has a Tesla? Yeah.
It's at least dropped 1.5 feet.
Oh, from this house? From this car?
You
Oh,
can
the
see
house?
the line.
Oh, I see it.
You see the garage?
Yeah, I see it.